আন্তর্জাতিক মানের শিক্ষা ও সেবার প্রখর মানসিকতায় কানাডিয়ান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্কুল বাংলাদেশ সবাইকে সাথে নিয়ে এগিয়ে চলেছে। সৌহার্দ্য আর প্রেরণায় কোথাও যেন কোনো কমতি নেই। একজন শিক্ষার্থীকে সুশিক্ষায় শিক্ষিত করে প্রয়োজনীয় মানব সম্পদ হিসেবে গড়ে তুলতে তাদের সর্বোচ্চ চেষ্টা সেটাই প্রমাণ করে। প্রজন্মের প্রজন্মকে তারা যেমন শিক্ষিত করে তুলছেন, তেমনি তাদের হাতে তুলে দিচ্ছেন বিশ্বমানের সনদ ও স্বীকৃতি। বিশ্বব্যাপী ছড়িয়ে পড়া করোনার মহামারীর কারণে এবারের স্নাতক সমাবর্তনটিকে কানাডিয়ান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্কুল বাংলাদেশ সীমিত পরিসরে অর্থাৎ যথাসম্ভব জনসমাগম এড়িয়ে ভার্চুয়ালি করার ব্যবস্থা গ্রহণ করেছে।
We have speakers for you tonight from around the world, practically, from the Canadian government, the Nova Scotia government, and from various people that you already know as your classmates. So, without further ado, let me introduce to you the chairman of Canadian International School Bangladesh, Mr. Kamal Newton.
I welcome all of you to our virtual graduation ceremony 2021. Though our students and teachers are very much excited to celebrate this special event in a grand manner, COVID-19 has again forced us to celebrate this graduation ceremony virtually. This was the goal for CISB for the year 2020-2021. Our principal, our teachers, our CEO, and admin staff worked hard to achieve this goal. You will be happy to know that we have achieved the goal. I wish all our graduates a success in their life.
বৈশ্বিক মহামারীর কথা বিবেচনা করে একটি উৎসবের চেয়ে সামাজিক দূরত্ব নিশ্চিত করার বিষয়টিকেই বেশি গুরুত্ব দিয়েছে কর্তৃপক্ষ। তবু এই শারীরিক দূরত্ব বাধ সাধেনি সৌহার্দ্য আর আন্তরিকতায়। কানাডিয়ান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্কুল বাংলাদেশ তার পথ চলায় সবসময় পাশে পেয়েছে তার সকল শুভাকাঙ্ক্ষীকে। আর তাই এই মহতী ক্ষণে এখানে যুক্ত হয়েছেন দেশ বিদেশের প্রখ্যাত শিক্ষানুরাগী, শিক্ষাবিদ ও প্রিয় ব্যক্তিত্বগণ, যাদের আন্তরিক উপস্থিতি এই সমাবর্তন অনুষ্ঠানকে নিয়ে গেছে এক অনন্য উচ্চতায়।
You are graduating from a Nova Scotia International program. Completing the Nova Scotia curriculum is a unique experience that connects you with students all over the world, including your peers here in Nova Scotia. Your graduation is a significant milestone. You have mastered the academics while developing the skills to respect others' ideas. You are now ready for new opportunities and adventures with exciting possibilities. Graduation celebrations are filled with joy, relief, and anticipation, but also pride of what you all have been able to accomplish. I share this pride because you are graduating with a Nova Scotia high school diploma. It is a quality education that will give you many opportunities.
Canadian International School for being part of our family. We're really proud to have you with us, and congratulations to our first grade 12 graduates. Thank you.
It's truly wonderful to have a partner like Nova Scotia represented in Bangladesh, and we're very honored to work with them. I would also like to make two other small congratulations. It's also a pleasure for me to congratulate Alka Ali, winner of the prestigious Queen Elizabeth II Medal as the outstanding graduate in 2021. What an honor. You have demonstrated extraordinary achievement in your academics. Well done and congratulations. Congratulations also to Mesuma Warda Khan, the 2021 class valedictorian. Again, what an honor. You have been recognized for your diligence and your hard work, and you should be very proud of yourself. Remember to aim high. The sky should be the limit now. And today, please take a moment or two to really relish where you are, to be grateful and thankful and savor what you've done and be proud of yourselves. Congratulations, class of 2021. Thank you, everybody. Mes sincères félicitations à tous et à toutes.
Our views in seconds, we show us again. Alka Ashton.
Greetings to all graduates of the class of 2021, teachers, respected guests, parents, faculty, and staff present with us for our virtual graduation ceremony. First and foremost, I would like to take a moment to congratulate all graduates and teachers for completing this academic year with immense hard work, perseverance, and hope in making this year special in its own. I'm pleased to introduce myself as Alka Ashna Ali, a student who began her journey at the Canadian International School Bangladesh as a preschooler and is now graduating as a senior. Having spent over a decade studying at CISB, I've had the opportunity to meet, learn, and work alongside some of the best teachers, mentors, or seniors and friends from across the world. As a result, their lessons and my experiences with them have shaped me into the person I am today. Therefore, I'm thrilled to share the very experiences that led me to be awarded the Queen Elizabeth II Medal. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Yours sincerely, Alka.
These 4 years are meant to shape you into brilliant individuals who can take a confident step into the next stage of your lives as young adults. After all, our school's vision, betterment of self for society, is not a quick fix. It takes many of us for many years to satisfy that dream. We are all part of a process, and we must keep moving towards our goal. So I would like to share a quote from one of the legends in the sports world, Michael Jordan. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. In other words, persevere. We have come to this point because we persevered in our quest to become the future doctors, engineers, developers, researchers, diplomats, and professors of CISB. We are graduates because in spite of COVID-19, in spite of all the obstacles, we followed our dream. We all share the hope that we will find success and happiness and contentment at the fulfillment of our dream. That being said, thank you all for everything.
Perseverance obviously got us all here because it's been a very difficult year, and yet we continued on with our mission, and in the end, yes, you succeeded. Perseverance is the main reason for that. In spite of COVID and Zoom and spending far too much time looking at our computer screens, we all succeeded in our own ways. But when it comes to the future, hope is also an important ingredient to your success. Why is hope important? Well, let's slip back into one of those unforgettable psychology classes of yesteryear that most of you experienced. Because life is difficult. We're all going to run into speed bumps. Sometimes there are obstacles that don't just slow us down, but they prevent us from achieving our goal. It's not enough to simply have a goal. We need to see that our goal is becoming more and more achievable. And this has to hold true in spite of the challenges that life throws our way. Hope allows people to approach problems with a pathway to success. Hope infiltrates your mind and provides a strategy that you can achieve your goal one way or another. And by actually having this belief, it increases your chance of doing so. Hope is not just a feel-good sense of positivity, but it's a belief system that will overcome problems and achieve success. When you expect to succeed, you probably will. This is a state of mind that works across many aspects of our lives, from sports to academics, to scientific research, to the arts, to business. Hope requires that you develop a strategy, and meet your goal, and it requires that you monitor how you're doing in order to give yourself progress checks from time to time. Those lacking hope tend to challenge themselves less, and they meet a challenge that blocks them, they most likely will just quit. They feel they are helpless victims rather than masters of their own fate. Without hope, they are hopeless. Psychologists studied this importance and tested some of their students. They found that over a 6-year period, students who possessed high hopes were found to have a higher grade point average than those with low hopes and a much higher graduation rate. Hope is a mindset that allows the individual to view their goal and devise numerous strategies to overcome challenges that block their path to success. It's my hope that you will find a way to achieve your goals in future academics and in your life itself. May you also find peace within yourself.
এখানে আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ ও কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন করতে চাই দেশের প্রথম বেসরকারি চ্যানেল এটিএন বাংলা ও এটিএন নিউজের সম্মানিত চেয়ারম্যান ডক্টর মাহফুজুর রহমানকে, যার গভীর আন্তরিকতায় এই মহতী অনুষ্ঠানটি দেশের সর্বস্তরের মানুষের কাছে পৌঁছানো সম্ভব হলো। কানাডিয়ান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্কুল বাংলাদেশ সেই স্বপ্ন আর প্রাপ্তির পথে আলো জ্বেলে যাক প্রতিদিন, প্রতিনিয়ত। সবাইকে অভিনন্দন। শুভ হোক এই পথ চলা, শুভ হোক আমাদের আগামী।